Have you been seeing the buzz about the no-sale profit system and wondering, what exactly is it? Well, let's break it down in simple terms. This isn't your typical affiliate program where you have to sell a product. Instead, this is a pay-per-call affiliate marketing system, and it could pay you between $40 and $90 per qualified call, without making a single sale yourself. Check the link in the description for the in-depth no-sale profit system review. The no-sale profit system is built on a pay-per-call model. Here's how it works. You run compliant ads on Facebook and Instagram, someone taps to call, stays on the line for a short qualifying period, about 10 seconds, and boom, you get paid. You're not relying on a sale going through. You're simply generating qualified phone calls. That's the magic of this business model, and that's why the mentors call it affiliate marketing reimagined. They've built it with done-for-you assets and a built-in buyer network, so your role is simplified. You just focus on driving calls quickly and effectively. So why do people even choose pay-per-call? Well, pay-per-call is a form of performance marketing where advertisers pay you for quality phone calls, not clicks. Think about industries like insurance, legal services, healthcare, finance, or home services. These businesses thrive on conversations, not clicks. And here's the kicker. Phone calls convert way better than traditional website clicks. Industry research shows that callers are far more serious buyers, and because calls can be tracked and analyzed, businesses know exactly which calls are valuable. That's why affiliates like you get paid so much more per call than per click. Let me walk you through a simple example of how this system flows. You run a compliant Facebook or Instagram ad with a value-first angle, for example, lowering insurance bills or consolidating debt. That ad takes the person to a bridge page with a strong call to action. The person taps to call and speaks to the buyer's call center. As long as they stay on the line for the qualifying window, you earn $40, $90 per call. That's the entire funnel. No sales pages, no checkout carts, no complex funnels. Just ads, clicks, and calls. Now let's talk specifically about what the no-sale profit system program claims to include. Payout model, $40 to $90 per qualified call. Traffic playbook, a white hat, Facebook-friendly strategy built for generating calls, not sales page clicks. Done-for-you assets, pre-made ad copy, ready-to-use angles, and creative ideas so you can launch campaigns quickly. Buyer access, an exclusive buyer network already built in. You don't have to chase down offers or negotiate payouts. Timeline. According to official info, the pre-launch began September 2nd, the first live webinar is on September 8th, and the cart will close September 18th, 2025. So this isn't some vague idea, they're actively launching this now. This is where it gets interesting. The sales copy emphasizes speed and done-for-you systems, but it doesn't explicitly reveal which AI tools are built inside the program. However, AI is already a big deal in pay-per-call marketing as a whole. For example, AI call monitoring and analytics can transcribe conversations, detect intent, and measure outcomes. Contact center AI is being used by businesses to route calls, reduce handling time, and improve caller experience. So while the no-sale profit system may not be an AI course, the ecosystem you'll be working in definitely uses AI. The program even mentions an AI software bonus, but the details are still under wraps. Now let's stay real for a second. Yes, the payouts of $40 to $90 per call sound amazing, and in theory, scaling to $100 a day or even $1,000 a day is possible. But remember, these are potential outcomes, not guarantees. Your actual results will depend on the quality of your traffic, how well your ads are set up, and whether your calls meet qualification standards. The upside is that calls are high intent by nature. Research consistently shows calls convert much better than clicks. That's why this model works. But you still need to be prepared to test ads, optimize campaigns, and keep compliance in check. Even though the program gives you ads and assets, the real edge often comes from using the right tools. Things like call recordings, transcriptions, tagging and routing, tracking dashboards, and yes, AI analytics that help you see which ads are driving the best calls. The more you measure, the better your results. So here's the bottom line. The no-sale profit system is designed to take a proven business model, pay per call, and wrap it into a done-for-you experience. You get ad copies, a buyer network, and a system that reduces all the tech headaches. At the same time, the larger market signals are strong. High-intent calls, AI-assisted analytics, and call center innovation are all pushing this space forward. Is it guaranteed money? No. But if you're looking for a simplified affiliate model with real earning potential, this could be worth watching. If you want my detailed written breakdown with pros and cons, check the link in the description for the full no-sale profit system review. Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, hit that like button, subscribe for more honest reviews, and drop a comment below. What do you think about pay-per-call as a business model? Could this be your next side hustle? Let's talk about it.